I have the same question every time I pick up a Yeezy, and that is, what colour is it really? Let's find out. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review. This is for the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. So yes, the season that never ends, Yeezy season continues with another pair of Yeezy 350 V2s. I can only imagine how many pairs have come out this year, yet alone in general, because it never stops. They tried the no, they haven't even done a V3. No, they tried the 380. That didn't really take off. They just stuck to banging out these 350 V2 colorways. And here's another one. I think the last review I did was for the Zion, which was not what I imagined it would be. I thought that was a black and white shoe. Turns out this is the pair that I actually thought the Zion was. And again, I thought it was a black and white shoe, and again, it's not a black and white shoe. Do I need my eyes checked, or a Yeezy playing games? Who knows? Let's open up the box, show you the shoes. So these shoes come in your standard Yeezy 350 box, which is brown with 350 on the top. Boost on the side. Got this in UK 11, which was I get for all my Yeezys, which is like a full size up. So I haven't got to take out my insoles. Super comfortable and all that jazz. The colorway is actually blocked on this shoe, and I don't know if it's because the stores added their own tags, or it could be the story that I've heard, which is the shoe was originally called the Yeezy Asriel, A-S-R-I-E-L, which is another Arabic name, which is what Yeezy's been doing lately. And supposedly it was taken away because of some like equality or something to do with Adidas, and they didn't like it anymore basically. People were moaning online, so they went with Carbon. That's the new name. It is what it is. Let's open it up, show you the shoe. And boom. Here is the shoe, and I hope to God you can see on this camera what color this is, because it ain't black and white. It's at least black this time. Unlike the black Statics and the Zion, it's at least black. But there's no white on the shoe at all. Let's get some close-ups and show you more details of this pair. So first of all, it is your standard Yeezy 350 V2 silhouette. No back tab on this pair. But the colorway, the color blocking is what you found originally on the Yeezy Static. Obviously beforehand they used to have the stripe, but they'd have this sort of zebra-ish pattern, which is why the zebras are called the zebras. But now they've obviously, since the Static's gone for this new sort of pattern where the stripe is translucent at some points, and it has loads of crazy patterns all over it, which is kind of cool because it gives them more opportunity to do some more colors and more color blocking, which is what you see with some of the crazier pairs that have come out lately, and this is no exception. As I said before, I thought this was a black and white shoe. Turns out it's not. It's black, purple and grey. When certain colors are close to each other, it kind of makes it look a little bit different, because I've seen someone say this is blue. I just don't see blue at all. I just see purple, not even close to blue, but it is what it is. Anywho, so yes, toe box of this shoe, or around the toe box, is done in a black and grey sort of colorway. Towards this sort of side panel here, it is done in black and purple, obviously in different sort of patterns, again black and purple. Towards the back of the shoe, black and grey, and then this part here you can see the contrast of one part is in black and purple and one part is in black and grey. I hope that is very easy for you guys to notice, because some people still not so sure what this shoe actually looks like, and I'm here to tell you. Medial side of the shoe is all in black and purple, which is what I like. Honestly, if it was up to me, I would like it if the shoe was all one colour, because I just think it looks a bit better and cleaner like this, but it is what it is. Adds a little bit of flavour to it. On the other side of this black stripe, it has another colour blocking, which is done in purple and grey, and that goes all the way up to where the faux tongue would be. All in black and grey as well, which is very cool. Laces on the shoe are done in all black, and they come with this new sort of lacing system. I'm not 100% sure if they had it on the Zion. I can't remember mentioning it in my review, but if I didn't, it's a new lacing system that they're going for in all their Yeezys nowadays. I guess they found that a lot of people either rock their laces factory laced or loose lace, basically Yeezy laces. They don't do anything. The shoe is a sock. It doesn't really hold you in or anything like that, so it's just there for show. So now it doesn't really, you ain't really got to think about it. Laces ain't going to get untied or nothing like that. It's literally like this. So I believe this little bit here, if you want to change it, because they do come with spare laces in the box, I think you actually have to cut this off, and then you can just take these off and throw on the other laces. I'm not sure what's underneath here, whether it's a fuse laced together or what, but that's the story I heard anyways. Inside the shoe, it says Adidas in purple with the Trefoil logo, and at the back of the shoe, as usual with Yeezys, it has the only 3 stripes on the shoe, but these are in 3M as per usual. And the bottom of the shoe, Boost, that's why it's called a Yeezy Boost. It's done in this sort of milky, whitey, orangey colorway. You got your visible boost there, and in this sort of bones pattern as well. It's a cool shoe. I ain't mad at it. Colorway wise, this is probably one of my favorite Yeezys in a while. It's been a minute since I've been like super duper gassed about a Yeezy shoe, but this one I'm pretty happy with it. I wasn't going to enter for any at all because I just thought I've got too many Yeezys. I'm trying to get rid of some of my Yeezys because I don't wear them that much, to be honest. But you get sucked in last minute and I won a raffle. Who can say no? Is what it is. I like to talk about the resale price of sneakers, and this one here, I believe last time I checked, was around like 220, 230 kind of price, which is 50 pounds over retail. That's about what Yeezys go for these days, unless it's something special like when the breads come back out. That might be a bit crazy because people really love that pair, but in general that's about what Yeezys are these days. Whether it's worth it, I think Yeezys are already highly priced at 180 as it is in the UK. I don't know what it is abroad. I think it's like $200 or 220 or something like that. So obviously try and get it for retail if you can. I'm sure somebody will get a pair, try and sell it, they can't sell it eventually, and you can sneak in and get there for a cheap one. So try that if you can. It's a great colorway, so if you do really want it, £20, £30 over retail, it's not a big deal in the end of the day, but definitely one of the better Yeezy 350s that have come out in a while, in my opinion. Very cool colorway. Anywho, hope you enjoyed that review. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Follow me on Instagram, @Bash Sneakers. Dope pictures posted pretty much every day. And yeah, I'm out. Later, yo.